In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your profile picture on Suno AI. Whether you're looking to refresh your online image or simply want to try out a different look, changing your avatar is a straightforward process. Let's dive in and explore each step together, ensuring that you can easily navigate the platform and showcase your personality with a brand new profile picture. First things first, we'll need to start by logging into your Suno AI account. Make sure you have your login credentials handy, such as your username, email, and password. Once you're on the login page, enter your details and proceed to sign in. If you've forgotten your password, don't worry. There's usually a forgot password link you can use to reset it. After successfully logging in, you'll be redirected to the Suno AI homepage. Now let's move on to the next step. From here, you need to locate the account settings or your profile page. Typically, this can be found by clicking on your name or an icon resembling a person, often located in the top corner of the page. Once on the profile or settings page, you'll see a range of options related to your account. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with this area if you haven't been here before, as it's useful for managing various elements of your profile and account preferences. Next, focus your attention on your current avatar or profile picture. Usually there will be an option directly below your avatar to either click on the image itself or an adjacent button labeled Change Avatar or something similar. Clicking on this will open up the option to upload a new image from your device. A dialog box or pop-up window will appear, prompting you to choose a file from your computer or mobile device. Make sure that the image you want to upload is saved to an easily accessible location on your device. Accepted file formats typically include JPEG, PNG, or GIF, but ensure that your image meets any platform-specific requirements regarding file size and dimensions. Once you've browsed to your desired image and selected it, you may see a preview of how it will look. At this point, you might be able to reposition or resize the image to your liking. Adjust the image to fit within the platform's parameters, and once you're satisfied, go ahead and click the upload button. Finally, don't forget the last crucial step. You need to save your changes. Look for a save button or a similar option on the page to ensure your new profile picture is updated and visible. Saving is essential as it confirms and applies all your changes. With that, you're finished. You've successfully updated your profile picture on Suno AI. Enjoy your fresh new look, and don't hesitate to experiment with different images whenever you feel like it.